Hello and welcome to the course on C Programming Learn to Code series. This is lecture 8 on unit 1, and in this lecture we will continue our discussion on number conversion. This is the part 3 of number conversion series. So let's begin. If you remember, in the previous class we are talking about number conversion. That means one given number with some base is given to you and you want to convert it into other base. Like a binary number is given and you are asked to find out two decimal number, or vice versa. Or sometimes a decimal number is given and you are asked to find out the equivalent octal, means octal equivalent of that number. So in this lecture we are going to discuss about given a decimal number how to convert it into octal, and given a octal number how to convert it into decimal. So let us start the first one, that is converting a decimal number to its corresponding octal number. Suppose I am asking a question. The question is convert 359 in decimal to its corresponding octal. Okay. So if you remember, in the last lecture, last but one lecture, we are trying to convert a decimal number to its binary number. So what we have done there, whenever a decimal number we want to convert it into binary, then we have to divide the given decimal number with 2 and collect the remainder. Okay, the same thing we are going to do over here to convert it into octal. But rather than dividing it by 2, we will divide it by 8. Why 8? Because I want to convert it into octal. So now see, suppose I want to convert this 359 in base 10 to octal, then I will start the division from 359 divided by 8. So 359 divided by 8 is 844 ja 352, and the remainder you will get is 7. Similarly, when you divide 44 divided by 8, then 8 5s are 40, so the remainder is 4. Then 5 divided by 8, that is 8 zeros are 0, and the remainder is 5. When this value becomes 0, then your division stops. After doing that, you should collect the number from bottom to top, and that is the result of the question. So now see, hence the result will be 359 in base 10 becomes 547 in base 8. Okay. Now the next part, if a fractional number is given, how to convert it into octal? So here the question is 0.21875 in base 10 is how much in octal? So if you recall again, in the previous lecture, we have discussed when a fractional decimal number is given, how to convert it into octal. Okay. So by recalling that, in this particular case, the base is 8. So whatever we will do, we will perform the same operation with using the base 8. So we can see here. So what in the previous class we are multiplying that with 2, but now the given number will be multiplied with 8. Okay, any number that comes before the decimal point, we have to mark it, and for further multiplication we will use only the number which is present after the decimal point. So after the decimal point, what is the number? 75000. So 0.75000 will be multiplied with 8. Again, whatever the result you will get, the value which is just before the decimal point, we have to mark it. And in this particular case, the data will be recorded from top to bottom. So here 8 multiplied with this, we will get 1.75000, from where 1 has been marked. In the second multiplication, 0.75000 will be multiplied by 8 and you get 6.50. Now the value becomes 0. So whatever you multiply with this, that becomes 0. So the multiplication will stop. And the answer we will get is 0.16 base 8. Fine. Now the next part. octal to decimal. So octal to decimal we have already discussed. In octal to decimal, what we are generally doing, whenever any base, not only octal, if any number given with any base and you want to convert it into particularly into decimal number, then what you are doing, you will just mark the positions. So the positions are started from 0 and when going towards left, it will be increased by 1. So the same thing we are going to do over here. I am just repeating the slide from unit 1 lecture 5. There we have already discussed how to convert a octal number to decimal number. But still I am repeating it for the completeness of this video. So suppose the given number is 435 in octal is how much in decimal. So how to convert it? You have to mark the position of each digit given to you. So 435, the digit 5 has the position 0, the digit 3 has the position 1 and digit 4 has the position 2. So what you will do? So let me write it so that it can be more clearer. So it is given 435. So the position of 5 is 0, the position of 3 is 1 and position of 4 is 2. So what I am going to do is, this is base 8. So 4 into 8 to the power 2, I am doing like that. 4 into 8 to the power 2, 3 into 8 to the power 1, 3 into 8 to the power 1, then 5 into 8 to the power 0. So 5 into 8 to the power 0. So here 0, 1, 2 that represents the position, 8 represents the base. So when you solve this problem, solve this expression, 8 into 8 is 64, 64 into 4 is 256, 8 to the power 1 is 8, 8 into 3 is 24, 5 to the power 0 is 1, 1 into 5 is 5. So when you add it, you will get 285 in base 10. Okay, so this is in base 10 and that is the answer. Fine. So the next part, octal to decimal conversion. So in this particular case, what will happen? When you want to convert an octal number which is in the fractional form and you want to convert it into decimal, if you remember, we have already discussed fractional binary number to its equivalent decimal number, and I have taken the example 0.111. There I told you that whenever this kind of problem is given, then you have to mark the position as, after the decimal point, the first number will get the position -1, the second number after the decimal point gets the position -2, third number after the decimal point gets the position -3. So these are the position for decimal numbers, and I am doing the same thing over here. The question is 0.34 base 8. So the position of 3 is -1, the position of 4 is -2. Now I will multiply with 3 into 8 to the power -1 plus 4 into 8 to the power -2. I am doing the same thing. Okay. Then 8 to the power -1 means 1 divided by 8. 8 to the power -2 means 1 divided by 64. Why? Because 8 to the power 2 is 8 cross the 8 is 64. So this is minus, so 1 divided by 64. Now 3 divided by 8, how much you will get? 0.375. 4 divided by 64, you get 0.0625. Now add these two value, what you will get? You will get 0.4375 base 10, and this is the answer for 0.35. That means 0.34 in octal becomes 0.4375 in decimal. Okay, that's all for the today's class. Thanks for listening. Bye bye.